To fix Raycon fitness earbuds that are not pairing together, a step-by-step process can be followed. The issue may be due to the earbuds being connected to multiple devices, causing clutter in Bluetooth profiles and leading to pairing issues. To resolve this, it's essential to unpair the earbuds and then repair them afterwards. This can be done on Android devices by going to Settings, then Devices, Bluetooth and other devices, and selecting the earbuds to remove or forget them. For Apple iOS devices, the process involves going to Settings, Bluetooth, finding the earbuds, selecting Info, and then choosing to forget them. Another possible cause of the issue is that the earbuds may be low on power, resulting in connectivity problems if one or both are not adequately charged. To fix this, the earbuds should be placed in their charging capsule and allowed to charge fully. Corrupted files interfering with Bluetooth functionality could also be the culprit. In this case, performing a system reset or factory reset can help. This involves deleting the earbuds from the phone, placing them in the charging capsule, and locating the reset button on the charging case. The reset button should be held for 5 seconds, and once the LED lights start flashing, the button can be released. Finally, the case's lid should be closed to complete the process. By following these steps, the issue of Raycon fitness earbuds not pairing together can be resolved.